Hello students and parents, welcome back in my channel Fun Learning, and I am Soumita. Students, I hope you are enjoying my all videos, and I hope my last videos was helpful in your studies. In my videos I am explaining all the interesting chapters of science and mathematics, and for all school going students only my all videos are, and any school students have doubts about any chapter they can ask in my comment section. I will definitely clear those doubts in my next videos. Today also I brought for you one interesting chapter of mathematics, but before I start I want to tell you that if you are liking my videos, then definitely give it a big like and share and subscribe my channel, so that I will get inspiration for making more and more videos. And definitely hit the bell icon so that fast notification will reach to you. My today's topic is quadrilateral fundamentals. Students, I started geometry chapters, and you know that I already made some videos on geometry, and I explained straight lines, different types of lines, fundamentals and triangles in my previous videos. And today I am going to explain you the basic concept of quadrilaterals. So let's get started. Students, today we are going to discuss about quadrilaterals. First, let's discuss what is quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is a closed figure formed by four sides or four line segments. A quadrilateral is a closed figure formed by four line segments. Here a basic structure of a quadrilateral I gave here. You can see that four sided polygon it is, and the name of this I can give the name PQRS. The quadrilateral's name is PQRS, and here the four sides are PQ, QR, RS and SP. These four sides are there. So let's discuss some basic elements of quadrilateral. First of all, the basic characteristic of a quadrilateral is it should be four sides, four vertices and four angles. You can see here four sides are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, and four angles are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, and four vertices are there. Here four vertices are there, these are the four angles. So these are the four angles I can mention here: angle SPQ, angle PQR, angle QRS and angle RSP. These are the four angles, four side PQ, QR, RS, SP, and the four vertices are PQRS. So this the basic characteristic is that, and some elements I wrote here: adjacent sides, opposite sides, adjacent angles, opposite angles, diagonals. This characteristic you should know, should be clear about this. First of all, what are the adjacent sides? Adjacent sides means PQ and QR is adjacent, QR, RS is adjacent, means which are connected to each other with a common vertices. Common vertices PQ and QR is adjacent sides, and again this pair QR and RS. After that RS and SP common vertices is S. This in this quadrilateral PQRS there are four sides, and the two sides of a quadrilateral having a common end point are called adjacent sides. So I can tell you that PQ and RS, PQ, QR, these are the adjacent sides. After that QR, RS. This I wrote two pair. Again another is RS, SP, RS, SP and SP, PQ, SP, PQ. These pairs are adjacent sides. After that opposite sides. Opposite sides means PR, PQ and SR. These two are opposite sides, and PS and QR are the opposite sides. Means this side is opposite to this side is opposite to this. So I can write PQ and SR is a pair, and PS and QR is a pair. Next is adjacent angles. Adjacent angle means two angles which have a common side. That is called adjacent angles, means two angles of a quadrilateral which have a common arm is called adjacent angles. So angle P and angle Q, these are adjacent. Again angle S, angle R, I can tell these two are adjacent. Again P and S, angle P, angle S, after that angle S, angle Q and R, angle Q and angle R. That like, after that we are going to discuss about opposite angles. Opposite angle you easily can tell that angle P is opposite to angle R and angle Q is opposite to angle S. So the pairs are angle P, angle R, or angle Q, angle S. These are the opposite. Easily you can write, no need to write here, you can only tell, you can only see the picture and tell. After that, what are the diagonals? The important thing, another important thing is what is diagonal. The line segments joining the opposite vertices are called diagonals. The line segments joining the opposite vertices means these vertices and these vertices joining straight line is PR. So PR is a diagonal, and after that Q and S joining is QS. QS also a diagonal. So I have to write this like the sides. So the diagonals are PR and QS. Every quadrilateral have two diagonals. Every quadrilateral have two diagonals. These two diagonals will intersect in a common point. So these are the basic elements of a quadrilateral. Students, here let's discuss about some types of quadrilaterals. How many types of quadrilaterals are there? Some basic diagrams of quadrilaterals are given here. First of all, first one is square, then rectangle, then parallelogram, rhombus, trapezium and kite. And we are going to discuss this in detail now. First of all, it is these all are quadrilaterals, means you can see that all have four sides only, but there are some basic difference between those all shapes. And first one is square. For square, the shapes are all sides are equal. For square, all sides are equal and four sides are equal and four angles also equal, and the measurement of the each angle is 90 degree. And next come to rectangle. The characteristic of rectangle is its opposite sides are equal. This side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side. Means the opposite sides are equal, but all sides are not equal to each other. So another characteristic is the four angles are 90 degree. The four angles are 90 degree means the four angles are equal. This is the basic characteristic of rectangle. Next I am coming to parallelogram. For parallelogram, opposite sides are equal, means this side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side. Angles are not right angle. For square and rectangle angles, all angles are right angle, means 90 degree, but for parallelogram any angle is not right angle but opposite angles are equal, means this angle is equal to this angle and this angle is equal to this angle, means opposite angles are equal and opposite sides are equal. That is the basic characteristics of parallelogram. Next I am coming to rhombus. For rhombus all sides are equal, all sides are equal to each other but angles are not right angle, means angles are not 90 degree, and here also opposite sides are equal, means this side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side. Next I am coming to trapezium. For trapezium the basic characteristics of trapezium is any two sides are equal. This opposite, any two opposite sides are equal, this should be equal, and other two opposite sides will be parallel, means here you can see that this side is equal to this side and this side is parallel to this side, this side is parallel to this side, means any two opposite sides will be equal in length and the other two sides will be parallel to each other. And angles will be two adjacent angle will be equal, means this angle, these two adjacent angle will be equal and these two adjacent angle will be equal, means this angle is equal to this angle and this angle will be equal to this angle. Now coming to kite. For a kite two adjacent sides will be equal, these two adjacent side is equal, this two adjacent side is equal. I am marking here, this side will be equal to this side and this side will be equal to this side. And for angle, these two, any two opposite angle will be equal, these two angle will be equal but this angle is not equal to this angle, this angle is not equal to this angle, any two opposite angle will be equal. That is the basic characteristics of different types of quadrilaterals. Here is a question for you all. Can you tell how many number of squares are there in this picture? Count and try to tell how many number of squares are there in this picture. Answer I will tell afterwards. Students, I am showing you all again another picture, a nice picture. Again you have to try out and tell me by counting how many number of squares are there in this picture. You have to try and tell me how many number of squares are there. Answer again I will tell afterwards. This is a funny puzzle picture. Carefully watch the picture and you can see that here is a man and here one treasure is there. So can you please tell in which way this man can reach to this treasure box? You have to try out, you have to find out the way, which way the man will reach to the treasure box. Please try and I will tell the answer very shortly. Now students, did you got the answer of this first picture I showed you? How many number of squares are there in this picture? Did you got the answer? If you didn't got the answer, I am giving you the answer now. You can check with your answer, is it correct or not? The total number of square is 45 here. Now students, this is the second picture. Did you got how many square is there in this picture? I asked you before. If you didn't got the answer, then I am giving you the answer for this one also. You can check with your answer. The number of square present in this picture is 20. So you can check with your answer. Now students, this is the solve of this puzzle, hidden treasure puzzle. Here I drawed with, I marked with red pen. You can see that starting from this point the man can go from this road, by this road, this road, this road, that like he can reach to the treasure. So this is the solve of this puzzle. You can also try it out. Solving this kind of puzzle in your home often will be very much helpful of your brain. You can practice, it is very much helpful for your brain. It will make you more and more intelligent, and it is very good for attention, concentration. So you can practice this kind of puzzle in home. So students, I hope you enjoyed my today's video. Dislike, apply your study ideas in any interesting artworks so that your study will become more and more interesting. In my next video again I will bring for you one interesting chapter of either science or mathematics. And if you are liking my videos, then definitely give it a like and share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for fast notification. Till now I am ending my today's video. Let's meet in my next video. Bye children and bye dear friends.